Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Sierra installer and creating a bootable USB. This prevents version mismatches. Use Terminal or Create Install Media to write the installer. This ensures a clean, bootable volume. Once done, make a full backup with Time Machine or a clone so you can restore files if the process fails. Make sure your Mac meets minimum specs and has at least 30% free disk space. Missing firmware or low space is a common cause of failed installs. You now boot from the USB installer and choose the correct target volume. This avoids installing to an unintended disk. If disk utility shows errors, run first aid, and if necessary, erase using GUID partition map and HFS Plus or apps as the installer requires. Erasing fixes corrupt structures that block installation. During installation, open console to watch for errors and note any specific text or package failures. That information tells you whether to retry, reformat, or address hardware issues. You finish by updating the system and reinstalling any third-party kernel extensions or drivers to restore full functionality. If the Mac fails to boot, start in safe mode to unload non-essential texts, then reset NVRAM and SMC. These steps clear firmware-level issues that often cause install failures. If problems persist, reinstall from the USB after erasing the drive, but first capture the installer error lines. Those codes let you look up exact causes or ask for targeted help when seeking support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.